Do you sometimes forget the right words when you're speaking English? Do you pause, hesitate, or feel stuck in the middle of a sentence? If yes, don't worry at all. You are not the only one. Many English learners face this problem, but the good news is that there are simple and practical ways to fix it. In this lesson, I will share with you some easy tricks that will help you remember words quickly and use them with confidence. If you follow these ideas every day, speaking will not only become easier, but also more enjoyable. The first thing you need to understand is that your brain works faster when you think in English. The big mistake many learners make is translating everything from their own language. This takes time and makes you forget words. But if you train your mind to think directly in English, you will notice that words come to you more naturally. You don't have to start big. Just begin with simple sentences. If you see the sky, say to yourself, "The sky is blue." If you drink water, think, "I am drinking water." The more you do this, the faster your brain will connect with English words. Another helpful trick is to keep your words simple. You don't always need fancy vocabulary. If you can't remember a difficult word, don't stop speaking. Use an easy word instead. For example, if you forget the word exhausted, just say very tired. If you forget enormous, just say very big. The goal is communication, not perfection. By using simple replacements, you can continue your conversation smoothly without feeling nervous. Now here is something very important. Speak every single day. Speaking is like exercise. The more you practice, the stronger your memory becomes. You don't even need a partner. Speak to yourself if you want. Stand in front of the mirror and talk about your day for 2 minutes. Record your voice and listen to it. Describe what you see around you. These small steps will train your brain to recall words faster. When you are learning new vocabulary, don't just memorize single words. Learn them inside sentences. For example, instead of only learning the word beautiful, learn the sentence, "This park is beautiful." Instead of only learning quickly, learn, "She runs quickly." This way, your brain remembers how the word is used in real life, and you won't feel lost when you want to use it later. Another smart technique is to use flashcards. Take a small card and write the English word on one side and the meaning or even a picture on the other. Read them for a few minutes every day. This habit may look small, but it builds a very strong memory. Your brain starts to connect the image and the word together, and when you need it while speaking, it will come to you faster. Don't forget that listening and watching in English is also a powerful way to learn. When you hear words again and again, they become a natural part of your memory. Watch English movies or videos with subtitles, listen to podcasts. The more exposure your brain gets, the easier it becomes to recall the words when you want to speak. Repetition is another secret. When you learn a new word, don't just read it once. Say it aloud several times. Try to use it in different sentences. For example, if you learn the word amazing, say, "This book is amazing. My teacher is amazing. Learning English is amazing." By repeating in different situations, the word becomes part of your active memory and you won't forget it. But what happens if you forget a word while speaking? The most important thing is to stay calm. Don't panic. Take a short pause, breathe, and try to explain the word in another way. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you can say, "It is something we use when it rains." People will still understand you. Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect. It is about communication. Writing is also a great way to improve your memory of words. Keep a small notebook or use your phone. Write 1 or 2 sentences in English every day. You can write about your day, your plans, or even your feelings. This practice helps connect your brain with the words more deeply, and later when you're speaking, you will find those words much more easily. So these are some very easy and practical ways to help you remember words when you speak English. If you practice them every day, even for a short time, you will notice a big difference. Let me know which of these tricks you like the most.